In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds from Swyftx. So however, I can't create an account myself since Swyftx is only available in a certain countries and mine isn't one of them. But I've done my research and I'll explain the process as we have the full access. So listen carefully as I explain each step. So first, make sure you log in with your credential here on the official website of swyftx.com, and after that complete any security verification if prompted, and then once inside, navigate to the withdrawal section, and then Swyftx allows withdrawals in both fiat currency and a cryptocurrency. You can choose which type of withdrawal you want. It could be a fiat withdrawal or crypto withdrawal. So click on Fiat Withdrawal and select your preferred currency, and then enter your bank details including your account name, number, and your BSB for Australian users. And then after that, type in the amount you want to withdraw and then review the details and confirm the withdrawal. Swyftx will process the request and funds should arrive in 1 to 2 business days. And then if you are going to withdraw a cryptocurrency, go to the crypto withdrawal section and then select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. It could be a Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever cryptocurrency you have, and then enter your external wallet address. Make sure it's correct to avoid losing funds, and then choose the amount you want to send, and then double check the details and confirm the withdrawal. And then the transfer time depends on the blockchain, on the network congestions. And then for the checking of the withdrawal status, after submitting the withdrawal request, you can track its progress in the transaction history section. And that's it. That's how you withdraw from Swyftx. Since I couldn't create an account due to country restrictions, everything I shared is based on research, assuming we have full access in Swyftx. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.